Everybody, we're almost there. Countdown to March the 10th, Monday, and we're going to begin our challenge. That means that we are going to go on a new journey, the 21-day fix. Woohoo! All right. Now, number one, no excuses. There are no excuses. We don't want, I don't have time, I can't figure it out, so-and-so's not posting, so I'm not. Those are all excuses. Each and every one of us in this group is going to make a difference. At the end of 21 days, we're all going to be successful. So the key is that we are a team. So we are going to measure ourselves as a team. So if I lose 2 inches and Pia loses 3 inches and Shabanique loses 1 inch, that's 6 inches in the group. And that's how we're going to track it as a team. We're all a team. We're going to help each other. We're going to motivate each other. We're going to learn from each other. I'll also be posting lots of tips. If you've got tips, post them. We don't want quiet people. We don't want people sitting back and on the sidelines in this group. We're all jumping in. We're all going to make a difference. And at the end of the 21 days, we're going to be able to look back and go, wow, we actually did it. Each and every day, we put in an effort to make a change in our life. So this group is not just about losing weight, losing inches. It's also about motivating, learning, and more importantly, and those who know me in this group very well, you know that I am a firm believer of personal development. Without the personal development, which is the discipline and the creating new behaviors, the weight loss and the weight or inches lost is just temporary. So we're going to learn a lot in this group, and I'm very glad to be going on this journey with each and every one of you. So thank you, thank you. So we're going to start this week. First assignment, take your measurements. You got to know where you're starting. So we can't have any slackers on any of this, and that includes taking your measurements and taking your before pictures. So your measurements, you're going to measure your neck, you're going to measure your chest, right at your nipple. We're going to measure our arm, our bicep, tricep. So you're going to put a measuring tape right around your arm, left arm and right arm. Also your waist, so where you bend, when you bend to the side, where you can see that crease, that is your waist. So you're going to measure there. And then again, right at your belly button, you're going to measure both of your thighs and your calves. Lastly, more importantly, your hips. So those are the places that you're going to take your measurements. Write them down. We are not going to trust anything to our memory. So take your measurements and your weight. Everyone take that tomorrow, by end of day tomorrow, which is Monday. Make sure that you take all of your measurements and that you write them down and post them. If you don't want to post them in the group, that's fine. Go ahead and post them and send them to me in my inbox. But we've got to know where we're starting. So this is all about changing habits and personal development, as well as losing inches in weight. And this is the first step in doing that, is knowing where we are starting. And so we're going to take those measurements every single week. So since we are starting a week before, we're actually going to start our 21-day fix. That will be 4 weeks that we will be taking our measurements. So we will actually be starting the 21-day fix program next Monday. But this week, the week prior, which is this week, we're going to work on personal development, because like I said, without that, the whole thing about the program is not really going to make much lasting difference. So we're going to we're going to make some lifestyle changes, and we can do it. A couple of you have followed me for at least 2 years. So this is something that I really want to do different this time, you guys. So let's get in there and let's do it. I want to see posts starting tomorrow from everybody. And if you don't post your measurements in the group, make sure that you make a note under this video that says, I have posted my notes to Nisi in her inbox. We're totally transparent, you guys. It's a private group. Let's get open. Let's be fierce and let's get it done. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.